Welcome to my channel. Today let's make karela stuffings. Wash it properly. Clean all the bitter gourd. Cut in between to remove all seeds. We need to be careful while removing the seeds. Otherwise it breaks it easily. I felt my finger is easy enough to remove seeds. Ha ha ha. Now that your bitter gourds look like this, we'll boil it. Add salt and turmeric to your water and let it boil for some time. Add your bitter gourds and boil them till they are a little soft. Just cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After it is soft enough, strain the water. Let's prepare for stuffings. First, roast some peanuts till they are brownish black. Now, roast the seeds of bitter gourd which we have taken out. Now, add oil in a pan to fry all the stuffing ingredients. Add garlic, fry until brown. Add chopped onion, fry until turn soft and brown. Add the bitter gourd seeds which we removed. Add haldi, jeera powder, chili powder, salt according to your taste. Mix them well and cook until soft. Add small chunks peanut which we roasted earlier. Here I add some raisins to balance the taste. Hee-hee-ha-ha. Now the stuffings for bitter gourd is ready. Let's start the stuffings. Here I'm binding with thread so that the stuffs do not come out while frying. Let's continue doing. When we feel the stuffings, it take time and need much patience. He ha ha. At last, we finish the stuffing parts. You can use any oil for frying. Here I used refined oil and a little ghee for texture. When oil heated, just add all the bitter gourd. Cook slowly. Turn the bitter gourd side by side until it cooked. Adding salt gives moisture in the pan. Add haldi. It's cooked and ready to serve. Let's open the thread which was tied. It's very hot too. See inside the bitter gourd how delicious it's look. I'm adding extra ghee on it. See, it's wow. Let's garnish with some sesame seeds. Thank you for watching.